let me just clarify what gap is. So when someone takes delivery of a new car or a new lease, especially on leasing, I believe the manufacturers or the lease companies include gap insurance now. It used to be a policy that you always needed to buy. But I would always have gap insurance if I'm either rolling a lot of negative equity or not making a good down payment onto a used car. And 100% of the time on a new car, you should have gap insurance. And what this means is if you leave the dealership 5 minutes later, 5 weeks later, 5 months later, the car is totaled, meaning wrecked, unrepairable, or stolen, unrecoverable. That's what we call a total. They want to pay only what it's worth, which might be $5,000 less than you owe, or it might be $15,000 less than you owe if you financed in tax tag title, maybe a little bit of negative equity from your last car. There's a very good chance. So now you have nothing, you have no car, and you owe money to pay off the car that's totaled. This is what gap insurance protects you against. Did I word that right, Vint?
Absolutely. That's 100%. And that's a big hole in the insurance world. You buy insurance to replace the value of the car at the time it's deemed a total loss. So that's exactly right, Jeff. It's a total loss scenario.
This has been Jeff Stearns, Connected Through Cars.